folks, it's me again. What do I got in the on the agenda tonight? Got something cool actually. And one of the things is, I was gonna do an unboxing video tonight, but one of the things is I couldn't wait. I just want to open the box and look at it. So there'll be no unboxing video tonight. There'll just be a what's in the box video. So yeah, you're gonna like this. So anyway, what I got, basically for everybody to look at. Don't mind the messy bench, because I'm working on the bench this evening too. I will show you. I picked this up online since apparently it's the holy grail of whatever. So yeah, you can see it right here. This, not the top part, the bottom part is a Wilton Power Arm. And apparently it is like the holy grail of vice holders for baby bullet vices. So picked it up. It was, I would say it was cheap, but it really wasn't. Came with this Brink and cotton vise, which didn't really want, but you know what, sometimes you get what you don't want. But I got a, I'm going to take it off here and see how good this vise goes. I don't know why these things are like, I mean, I can understand the usage of them, but I mean, I don't know, maybe I don't understand the vice collecting world as good as everyone else, but I don't see what all the hoopla is. I mean, I understand, like, you know, collecting vices. We all collect stuff. We all fill our garage with endless amounts of stuff that, well, nobody really cares about but us and other people who collect similar things. So let's take this screws off of here. This is the little vise that came with, which is kind of neat. Kind of right up my alley. Little tiny small vise. I don't even think this thing's been used. There's like a couple little dings on it. Paint looks original and good enough for me. This thing is what I wanted. The Wilton Power Arm. Looks like it needs a severe cleaning. Severe. How the hell do you get this out? I have no idea, but I would assume it comes out somehow. I don't know. There's probably a way to unlock this thing. I'm not going to take it apart today, but stay tuned. I'll show you something else. Well, obviously stay tuned if you're watching the videos. You'll wait. I'm going to splice it in here. So wait 1 second. There's different sizes to this, and maybe this one, maybe there's a smaller one. How big is this thing? It's a 3-inch one. Oh, 2.5-inch jaws. So I don't know, maybe I'm missing some. I always see these things attached to this. So maybe, I don't know. Hey, it's pretty cool though. I have me a Wilton Power Arm, which I also have a baby bullet. So that's what I like. I can understand why people like these though. I mean, for a design of a vise, they're really nice. They're really cute. I'm going to put these back on my, what I call my trophy shelf. And I'm going to get back to working on this mess. So anyway, before I let you go, smash the like button. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. It helps in the algorithm. So, or leave the like, subscribe, comment, do something. But definitely subscribe at least, because the more subscribers I get, the longer I'll be doing this. So thanks for watching. Enjoy.